Understanding reinforced walls in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, reinforced walls. This is a term you might come across in construction, engineering, or even in everyday conversations about strength and stability. Let's break it down together to understand its meaning and usage. The word, reinforced, is an adjective and comes from the verb, reinforce. To reinforce something means to strengthen it or make it more powerful. When we add re in front of a verb like force, it implies doing something again or adding to it. So, reinforce literally means to add strength. Now, let's look at the word walls. A wall is a solid structure that defines and sometimes protects an area. Most buildings have walls. In English, walls can also be used metaphorically to talk about boundaries or limits. When we combine these two words, reinforced walls refer to walls that have been made stronger. This could be through additional materials like steel bars, in concrete walls, or through extra layers or support. In a metaphorical sense, talking about reinforced walls can mean strengthening one's boundaries or defenses. Let's see how reinforced walls can be used in sentences. 1. The bunker was built with reinforced walls to withstand any attack. 2. In this debate, she put up reinforced walls around her argument, making it almost unassailable. 3. The flood protection system includes reinforced walls along the riverbank. I hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase, reinforced walls. Remember, it's not just about physical walls, but can also be about strengthening any form of defense or boundary. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.